This is Randy from Metro Atlanta Coaster Club and Park Journey. I'm here with Rob and Mark and Paul and about a dozen acers. We're about to sample Twisted Cyclone out here at Six Flags Over Georgia. It is the latest RMC conversion of a classic. It takes the old Georgia Cyclone, which of course was a mirror of the legendary Coney Island Cyclone. It's now its own animal. It's got steel track, wood supports, 100-foot drop, 3 inversions, and I mean, what I can think is probably an appropriate day to try this out. It's very cloudy out. It looks like it's about to storm, so I think it's time we ride it out. Is everybody ready?
Yeah, let's ride it out.
Let's go. About ready to head down at about a 75-degree angle. Yeah, here we go. Entering a first-of-its-kind inversion, a reverse cobra roll, glass smooth. Oh, and the wave turned it. Oh, wow, some air.
Yeah.
Got a double up. Overbank. Okay, getting ready to set up for the last inversion. Oh, yeah. Oh, some more up and down, more air time. This thing's gonna buck you around. Wow. All right.
Yeah. Great ride.
That one packs a punch. I really like it compared to a lot of the other RMCs. This one really measures up. What do you think?
Awesome. Awesome ride.
What do you guys back there think? See, I think everybody likes it, and I think you will too. You'll get your crack at it starting tomorrow if you buy a special edition t-shirt that you can get in the gift shop up front. On Friday, it is for pass holders. That is both regular pass holders and the memberships, all tiers. And then Saturday, it's grand open for everybody, and I think this is going to be a fantastic way to kick off yet another wonderful summer at Six Flags Over Georgia. Have a great time. And thanks to Ace and everybody behind us.